My channel, and in today's video we are going to learn on how to add numbers in your dataset in Excel. So how have you been doing it? Have you been doing it manually? Have you been struggling? So the struggle stops today, because this video is going to demonstrate to you on how to automatically add numbers in your data sets and be able to know the exact entries that you have. So let's go on. So I want to insert the numbers, and I want to insert it before the student ID. So I'm going to insert a column, then number, and then since this one is a table, I'm going to convert to range so that it includes the others, the row with numbers. So I'm 1. So I'm going to begin from here and now convert to table. So, and I want it to be purple. So I want to add numbers. So what you need to do is just start some few numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you highlight, then you click to have the flash fill. So that was very easy. So, and it is going to add the numbers for all your data entries in Excel, and you'll be able to know the number of entries that you have in your data set. So if you have been struggling doing it manually, that one you will miss some numbers. You will not be consistent, because doing things manually is not a work in the park. So let's normalize doing this, which is automatic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more if you have not, and if you have subscribed, please stay tuned. Turn on the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you are able to see.